So hello, today I will show you how to get Supreme Being or Ainz. This unit is Ainz from Overlord. So first you need to have a lot of gems, stars, and time because this unit is grindy. Because first you will need to get 3 Overlord units in order to get Ainz or Supreme Being. You will be summoning Overlord units, which are Bloodcry, Shaltir, Lucifer or Demiurge, Cherub or Albedo, and last is Thundermate or Narbera. So you will be summoning them here. So after you summon one of the Overlord units, so let me show you what Bloodcry looks like. So this is one of the example of one of Overlord units, Bloodcry. So after you summon one Overlord units, you will get this Sovereign Staff. So this is needed for getting Ainz. Now, after you get one Overlord unit and you will automatically get this staff, so you need to evolve the Overlord units. So let's see the requirements for Bloodcry. So Bloodcry requires these rings, red, yellow, and blue. In order to get these rings, you need to play legend stages. First, you need to complete this story. You can get one or two rings in each stages, and each stages gives different color of rings. So so let's say you already evolved Bloodcry. So after you get the materials for evolution on one of the Overlord units you got, so we will evolve Bloodcry. So I don't have enough. So for example, you have enough. Will evolve. Bam! Evolve Bloodcry. And then use the Sovereign Staff. Click use and you will see Bloodcry here. So click Bloodcry and sacrifice them to the Sovereign Staff. So you need to sacrifice 3 Overlord units. So it doesn't matter whether you summon 3 of the same Overlord units. For example, you got 3 duplicates of Bloodcry. So evolve those 3 and sacrifice them to the staff. And let's say you already sacrificed 3 units to the staff. As you can see, imagine awakening 3 over 3. And then you use this, and there is a warning that summon Supreme Being, etc., etc. And then you will now have Supreme Being. So for me, this is the easiest secret to get because unlike other secret units like Illusionist, you need insane luck. But getting this unit, Supreme Being or Ainz, you just need patience, time, and yes, a lot of gems. So the best trait for him, of course, is the unique trait. Since even without unique trait, you can only place one Ainz. So in order to evolve Ainz, you just need to repeat the steps from legend stages. You need to get these materials again to evolve Ainz. So that's all, guys, and happy grinding.